guys, so today I am here to do a review of these two planners. So I had purchased this one right before these went on sale, and I purchased this one. So I'm actually going to be getting rid of this one. But before I did that, I thought that I would go ahead and do a comparison video. So first impression of both of these planners is pretty good. So I like the way that this one looks, obviously, because I customized it. And I also like the way that this one looks though. As far as the size, they are pretty much the same size, literally the exact same. I mean, it might be like a slight difference, but for the most part, they are the same size. Now, this one is thicker because this one is an 18-month planner and this one is a 12-month planner. The paper looks a little bit different because this is recycled paper, I believe, which makes it a little bit ivory in color, and this one is just kind of regular paper, so it is pretty white, honestly. As far as the coil, this one obviously looks a little bit bigger because it is an 18-month planner. This one is smaller because it's a 12-month planner. Now, whenever I tap on these, honestly, the cheaper planner, which is the Recollections planner, does a little bit better and it kind of holds up a little bit better. This one is a little bit more wobbly, but I wouldn't say that's like a huge thing at all. So as far as price, this one retails for $55 here in the United States. This one retails for $29.99 here in the United States. Of course, you can only purchase these at Michael's or on the Michael's website. And honestly, if you catch a 50% off coupon or 60% off coupon, you'll be able to get this for really, really, really cheap. This one, if you can get some kind of coupon code for signing up for Erin Condren for the first time or using someone's referral link or wait until they go on sale, you will be able to get this one at a relatively decent price. So because of all of that, I was able to get them both, honestly, for about the same price. Now again, you can only purchase these at Michael's or on the Michael's website. You can purchase these on the Erin Condren website and even in Staples if you catch them in there. I have actually never seen this exact planner, the Erin Condren Spiral Bound Life Planner, inside of Staples, but there is a Erin Condren section in Staples, and they do have mine only really has hardbound planners, so I've actually never seen this one, but they do have a little section in the Erin Condren. They do have a little Erin Condren section in Staples. As far as covers, this one is removable, which means that you can buy new ones and place them on there. This one actually is not, which may be a surprise to some of you, but the new planners from Recollections are not, the planner covers are not removable, so I cannot take this off. This is a January 2018 to December 2018 planner. This planner runs from July 2018 to December 2019. So this planner just came out in March of 2018, and of course this one, debuted at sometime in 2017. So that's the release dates. I don't know the exact release dates, but that's pretty much how they compare there. I did customize this, and I got the color scheme that I wanted, the pattern that I wanted, all of that good stuff with this particular planner because I ordered this from online, and you are able to do that at no additional cost. This one, I was not able to do that because I just had to purchase it as is at Michael's. Now with this coil, this is platinum or silver. You can get a gold, rose gold, or black coil if you want, but you will have to pay more, and you can customize this a little bit more to your liking, but chances are you're going to be paying more. So again, this retails for $55, so depending on what you do, you can really get up there in price, whereas this one you just purchase it as is, obviously, because it is sold in Michael's stores. Opening up, not much of a difference here other than the fact that this has just this little line that you it's kind of like a note paper that's embedded, a note sheet that's kind of embedded into the cover. So you could write on this with a dry erase marker or a permanent marker. I don't really intend to use that, so this isn't like a perk for me, but the planner covers are, kind of the same there. Opening up the Life Planner, however, you see a vellum piece of paper that protects, I guess, the front cover. So here you can put your name or whatever it is that you want to put on there, but you do not get that same option here. Jumps right into the planner. So flipping this page, we have 2 quotes on 2 different pages, and then we flip into the planner. So we do have July 2017 to until December 2018. Here we have all of 2018 and also all of 2019. Flipping this page, we have something that's kind of like a habit tracker. So it's July 1 through 31. So you can kind of do something with this page. I don't really have a I don't really see what I would really do with it, aside from maybe try to like circle important dates or something like that. But that is kind of where the Erin Condren trumps that planner, because the next sheet you get 12 boxes where you can essentially do the same thing. If you label this January, February, March, April, etc., you can kind of plan out your year or mark any important dates or anything like that. So I really like this layout a little bit better, or a lot more, honestly. Now the theme for 2018 in the Erin Condren planners is painted petals. So you will see a lot of these petals everywhere. I did get the neutral color theme or color scheme, but you will see hints of color throughout the planner, which is a little bit, you know, misleading, because if I'm getting neutral, I would like this to be like totally black and white. In this one, you obviously see tons of color already, so I did not get a neutral theme in this particular planner. Now, turning this page, you get important contacts. So you have a place for name, address, phone, email, birthday, and you have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 12 places. Turning this page from this one, you get the first page for January. So this is the notes page. I'm told that the Erin Condren planners used to have like a lined notes page, but she has since changed that. So you get this, which I kind of like, because I can kind of customize this. I can maybe put my goals for January or whatever the case is. Flipping into July of this planner. Actually, we're not going to do July. We're going to skip to January. No, we're going to skip in this planner to July so that we can have a real apples to apples comparison. So we'll be in July 2018 for both of these. And I mentioned that this was a 2018 planner, so it runs from July 2017 to December, from July 2018 to December of 2019. So let's just go ahead and compare both of the July 2018 months. This says the future belongs to those who believe the magic of their dreams. This one, oops. This one says, make yourself proud. And again, painted petals throughout these 2 pages. So here's the note sheet, make yourself proud. Here is the first page for July, and it is the monthly spread. So I really do like this monthly spread. The one thing that I don't really care for about these planners, almost all of the Recollections planners, the print is a little bit faded, so you can't really even see any of this. This says notes and thoughts. I can barely even see it, and I am under 2 studio lights right now, but it's kind of faded and it's not bold enough, and you can't really see it. And there's a lot of grays, which I don't think gray is a great color. Maybe should have gone for black, but they did mark Independence Day for the month of July in this planner. And here is the monthly spread for this planner, and they marked Independence Day as well. This one is a little bit more plain, but I do not mind this at all. I like both of them, honestly. But let's go ahead and flip to the weekly spread. Again, really faded. I'm not really a fan of that. I didn't really notice how faded it was until I compared it to some of the other planners, but you can hardly see, like Sunday, the pink is so faded you can hardly see it. But for July, or for June, because this is technically June 25th through June the 30th, it is purple, and then July is pink. So throughout July, you will see pink up until we get to August, and then we will switch from pink to blue. And so I really like this spread in the layout, but again, it's really faded. and I don't really like that, but I really do like this spread. As for the Erin Condren, this is what the weekly spread looks like. I really enjoy this because things are just super bold and you can see them just like so much better than in this planner. Like the 2018 is even faded and whatnot. You can't really see it that well. So I really do enjoy this planner. This one actually says June here and then it says July over here, whereas this one just says July, even though technically this is June. So that's pretty much how the weekly spreads compare in these two. So this is again like a colorful planner, and this one is a neutral planner. So it looks the same every month, so let's just go ahead and skip to the back. Another thing with these planners, the pages kind of stick together, which is an issue at times, but they come apart pretty easily, but it is kind of annoying when they do stick together like that. Not all of them, just some of them. Oh, one thing I need to mention is that the notes page is an alternating notes page. So let me just show you June. So the notes page is actually at the back of the month, whereas in the Erin Condren it is at the beginning, but it goes from grid to line to grid to line paper, and again it is at the back of the month. But let's skip to the end of both of these planners. So we have some grid paper, and then we have some line paper, of course. We also have some stickers back here. These say party time, that one's blank, doctor appointment, happy birthday, vacation. Some functional stickers, reminder, and hydrate. Some deco stickers with the weekend banner and some other little functional and deco stickers. And then we have weather icons and then other functional icons to include a money sign, bills, dentist appointment, shopping cart, you know, shopping, all of that good stuff. And then we have a double-sided pocket folder and a clear pouch. Now these are attached to the planner. And so that is the end of this particular planner. Now with the Erin Condren planner, we get at the end some line paper and some dot grid paper. And then we get some coloring sheets, and then some functional and deco stickers as well. These being more functional stickers that are foil. More functional stickers and icons. Event stickers. These are single stickers. And then some single double-sided flag stickers as well. And then we have a pocket folder here, and it is double-sided as well. Except this side is different than this side. And then we get some accessories. So we get a perpetual calendar where we can plan out 2019 if we want to. So you have January and the days in January and February and March, etc. And then we get important contacts and important passwords, and then holidays and dates to remember. And normally it comes right there. Other accessories that we get with the Erin Condren Life Planner include a bunch of other goodies actually. So we get these little labels, which I'm not quite sure what these are, but I think it says it someplace. But it's just kind of like to and from, so kind of like gift labels. So we get cheers, celebrate, enjoy, XOXO, happy birthday, and thanks. And then we get a pouch, which is loose, so we it's not like connected like in the Recollections planner. It is loose, but if you want to connect it, you very well can. You just have to get the coil clips, which I may or may not have lost, but you can, but they're, I don't know where they are. It's like a coil clip, and you just clip the coil on here, you adhere it to here, adhere it to the pocket folder or the pocket pouch or the pouch, whatever it is that you call it, and you can just clip it in here if you want to, but I don't really see that. So I need to search for that. You also get some other little goodies, which I know this is kind of messy, but I'm trying to rush through this before my camera cuts off. So you get some compliment cards, I guess some more gift labels, and some discount cards. And you also get, I'm trying to find the coil. Here is the coil actually, and you, like I said, would adhere that to the pouch and then clip that in if you want to. And you also get something like a postcard. Well done is better than well said. And then you get this ruler bookmark. So it is clear, and you just pop that in as well right onto the coil, and it is clear, but also with the painted petals. But this little protective sheet has a blue tint, so that's why it looks blue. But the ruler bookmark itself is actually very much clear. So that is pretty much how these two planners compare. I think that they are both pretty good quality planners. My only issue with this one, aside from all of the color, is that it is not as bold as I would like, especially when we are dealing with this lighter color pink. It is not bold at all, but this one is a little bit more bold. I'm sure you guys can see that. I really don't understand why we needed this light color pink, because you can hardly even see it. And that's pretty light as well. That's pretty bold, but I just wish it had more bolder colors, I guess. So anyway, I enjoy both of these planners. Again, I'll probably be getting rid of this one because I have this one now, but I enjoy both of these planners, and I think they're both really good planners. So anyway, I hope that you guys enjoy this video, and I will see you in my next one. Bye, guys.